you, bro. Yeah, we can't stay England. Religion is my own. You can pretend to be Catholic, Christian, or anything. Religion is my own. It is all I made up.
And the king be telling me to be a Catholic. What if I don't want to be? Oh, please let me be free. You owe me my thoughts. You owe me my pay. So please let me be free, okay?
Now we're on our way to a brand new home on the little ship we like to call Mayflower. Stranger right here next to us, but it don't matter cause we're going home. The Atlantic is tough with the wind and the waves, but anything to get away, to get away.
1620 was the year where we landed home, but before we went ashore, formal document was drawn. The Mayflower Compact, that was kind of cool. The compact pledged our loyalty to England, and we are in a new world. Plymouth Rock became our home, that is in Massachusetts.
Pilgrims are
What we are, because our journey had a religious purpose.
This is the end and the end.
The end.
We are done.
Peace.
Deuces!
See you next time.
Yeah.